Hi viewers, welcome to our channel. Today we learn standard 9th science unit 5 magnetism and electromagnetism lesson la book back answer fullave இன்னைக்கு நம்ம பார்க்கலாம். Okay, first Roman, choose the correct answer. First one, which of the following converts electrical energy into mechanical energy? Four option கொடுத்திருக்காங்கமா. Which answer correct? Answer A, motor. Next second one, transformer works on. Answer A, AC only. Next third one, the part of the AC generator that passes the current from the mature coil to the external circuit is. Answer B, brushes. Next fourth one, the unit of magnetic flux density is. Answer C, Weber per meter squared. Next second Roman, fill in the blanks. First one, the SI unit of magnetic field induction is dash. Answer Telstar. Second one, devices which is used to convert high alternating current to low alternating current is dash. Answer transformer. Next third one, an electric motor converts dash. Answer electric energy into mechanical energy. Okay, next one, fourth one, a device for producing electric current is dash. Answer generator. Next third Roman, match the following. Question கொடுத்திருக்காங்கம்மா. First one magnetic material worsted, second one non-magnetic material iron, third one current and magnetism, C answer induction, fourth வந்து என்னது electromagnetic wood induction இது கொடுத்திருக்காங்கம்மா. fifth one வந்து electric generator Faraday கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. இதோட ஆன்சர் என்னன்னு பார்க்கலாமா? ஓகே, ஆன்சர் என்னது? ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன் magnetic material, which answer correct? Answer B, iron. Second one non-magnetic material, answer D, wood. Next third one current and magnetism, answer A, Oersted. Next fourth one electromagnetic induction, answer E, Faraday. Fifth one electric generator, answer C, induction. Next fourth Roman, state whether true or false. If false, correct the statement. First one, a generator converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. Answer true. Second one, magnetic field lines always repel each other and do not intersect. Answer true. Next third one, Fleming's left hand rule is also known as dynamo rule. Answer false. Correct statement, Fleming's right hand rule is also known as dynamo rule. Next fourth one, the speed of rotation of an electric motor can be increased by decreasing the area of the coil. Answer false. Correct statement, the speed of rotation of coil can be increased by increasing the area of the coil. Next fifth one, a transformer can step but direct current. Answer false. Correct statement, a transformer can step up alternating current. Next sixth one, in a step down transformer the number of turns in primary coil is greater than that of the number of turns in the secondary coil. Answer true. Next fifth Roman, answer in brief. First one, state Fleming's left hand rule. Answer, Fleming's left hand rule states that while stretching the three fingers of left hand in perpendicular manner with each other, if the direction of the current is denoted by middle finger of the left hand and the second finger is for direction of the magnetic field, then the thumb of the left hand denotes the direction of the force or movement of the conductor. Next second question, define magnetic flux density. Answer, the number of magnetic field lines crossing unit area kept normal to the direction of field lines is called magnetic flux density. Its unit is WB per meter squared. Next third question, list the main parts of an electric motor. Answer, a power supply, field magnet, coil, commutator, brushes. Next fourth one, draw and label the diagram of an AC generator. AC generator diagram draw பண்ணி லேபிள் பண்ணணும். இங்கே கொடுத்துருக்காங்க பாருமா, இதாம்மா ஏசி ஜெனரேட்டர். ஓகேவா? இதில் பார்த்தோம் அப்படின்னா கேஸ் 1 கேஸ் 2 இருக்கும். இங்கே பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இதில் வந்து ஸ்லிப் ரிங்ஸ் brushes load. slip rings brushes load இருக்கும். இதில் வந்து S1 S2 இங்கே B1 B2 இதில் மாதிரி S1 S2 இருக்கு B1 B2. நெக்ஸ்ட்டு ABCD அப்படின்னு இருக்கும். இங்கே வந்து ABCD நார்த் சவுத் போல் இருக்குமா, நார்த்து சவுத். ஓகேவா? இந்த ஆரோ மார்க்கு இந்த மாதிரி அழகாக ட்ராப் பண்ணி கரெக்டாக மென்ஷன் பண்ணணும் லேபிளை. ஓகே. நெக்ஸ்ட்டு ஸ்டேட் த அட்வான்டேஜஸ் ஆஃப் ஏசி ஓவர் டிசி. Advantages of AC over DC பார்க்கலாமா? The voltage of AC can be varied easily using a device called transformer. The AC can be carried over long distances using step-up transformers. The loss of energy while distributing current in the form of AC is negligible. Second point, direct current cannot be transmitted as such. The AC can be easily converted into DC. Generating AC is easier than DC. The AC can produce electromagnetic induction which is useful in several ways. Next, sixth question, differentiate step up and step down transformer பார்க்கலாம். Answer, step up transformer, step down transformer. So differentiate. First one, the transformer used to change a low alternative voltage to a high alternative voltage is called a step up transformer. This one, the transformer used to change a high alternating voltage to a low alternating voltage is called a step down transformer. Second one, in a step up transformer, the number of turns in the secondary coil is more than the number of turns in the primary coil. This one, in a step down transformer, the number of turns in the secondary coils are less than the number of turns in the primary coil. Next, seventh question, a portable radio has a built-in transformer so that it can work from the main instead of batteries. Is this a step up or step down transformer? Give reason. Answer, a step down transformer is used in a portable radio in order to reduce the voltage so that rectified DC voltage is equal to battery voltage. Hence, it can work on mains as well as on battery. Next, eighth question, state Faraday's laws of electromagnetic induction. Answer, whenever there is a change in the magnetic flux linked with a closed circuit and EMF is produced and the amount of EMF induced varies directly as the rate at which the flux changes. This EMF is known as induced EMF, and the phenomenon of producing on induced EMF due to change in the magnetic flux linked with a closed circuit to known as electromagnetic induction. Next, sixth Roman, answer in detail பார்க்கலாம். First one, explain the principle, construction and working of a DC motor. Answer, the DC motor is the motor which converts the direct current into the mechanical work. The principle, it works on the principle of motion of a current carrying conductor in a magnetic field according to Fleming's left hand rule. It is a device which converts electric energy into mechanical energy of rotation. Construction, the various parts of a DC motor are permanent magnets on both sides of a coil which consist of carbon brush and commutator. Okay, ma'am. The image, two permanent magnet, both sides இருக்குல்ல, permanent magnet, coil, carbon brush and commutator. Okay, next, a simple coil is placed inside two poles of a magnet. Now look at the current carrying conductor segment AB. The direction of the current is towards B, whereas in the conductor segment CD in the direction is opposite. As the current is flowing in opposite direction in the segments AB and CD, the direction of the motion of the segments would be in opposite directions according to Fleming's left hand rule. When two ends of the coil experience force in opposite direction, they rotate. Okay, இதம்மா இது என்னது, turning effect in a coil இது. ஓகேவா? நெக்ஸ்ட்டு இதில் பார்த்தோம் அப்படின்னா current out, current in, current out, force north south pole A, B, C, D. Coil, the central coil, rectangular shape coil, axis of rotation, axis of rotation. This is type of force, the turning effect in a coil. Okay, if the current flow is along the line ABCD, then the coil will rotate in clockwise direction first and then in anti-clockwise direction. If we want to make the coil rotate in any one direction, say clockwise, then the direction of the current should be along ABCD in the first half of the rotation and along DCBA in the second half of the rotation. To change the direction of the current, a small device called split ring commutator is used. Working, first point, DC power supply is switched on. Second one, current flows into and out of the coil through the carbon brushes. Next, third point, current in the coil produces a magnetic field. Fourth one, magnetic fields due to current and permanent magnets combine to form catapult fields. Next, fifth one, magnetic forces act on the sides of the coil besides the poles of the magnets. Sixth one, magnetic forces produce turning effect to rotate the coil. Next, second one, explain two types of transformer. Answer, transformer is a device used for converting low voltage into high voltage and high voltage into low voltage. It works on the principle of electromagnetic induction. It consists of primary and secondary coil insulated from each other. Depending upon the number of turns in the primary and secondary coils, the two types of transformers are stepped up or stepped down transformers. The image, iron core, step up transformer, primary coil and secondary coil 110 120 volts, so secondary coil 220 240 volts. Step down transformer, primary coil, this one secondary coil 220 200 by 240 volts in primary coil, secondary coil 110 by 120 volts. Now step up and down for transformers. First, step up transformer. First, the transformer used to change a low alternative voltage to a high alternating voltage is called a step up transformer. In a step up transformer, the number of turns in the secondary coil is more than the number of turns in the primary coil. Next, step down transformer. The transformer used to change a high alternating voltage to a low alternating voltage is called a step down transformer. In a step down transformer, the number of turns in the secondary coils are less than the number of turns in the primary coil. Next, that draw a neat diagram of an AC generator and explain its working. பார்க்கலாமா? This one, இதமே image AC generator. North south poles இருக்கு. A, B, C, D. இங்க A, B, C, D. கண்டலே. Okay. Next, அதுதான் slip rings, brushes, load. Cas 1, Cas 2 ஓடுமே. இது Cas 1 image, Cas 2 ஓட images. இதை ட்ராப் பண்ணி லேபிள் பண்ணணும். ஓகேவா? இதுதான் ஏசி ஜெனரேட்டர். நெக்ஸ்ட் பாயிண்ட்ஸ் பார்க்கலாமா? அதோட ஒர்க்கிங்ஸ் வந்து an alternating current AC generator consists of a rotating rectangular coil ABCD called armature placed between the two poles of a permanent magnet. The two ends of this coil are connected to two slip rings S1 and S2. The inner sides of these rings are insulated. Two conducting stationary brushes B1 and B2 are kept separately on the rings S1 and S2 respectively. The two rings S1 and S2 are internally attached to an axle. The axle may be mechanically rotated from outside to rotate the coil inside the magnetic field. Outer ends of the two brushes are connected to the external circuit. When the coil is rotated, the magnetic flux linked with the coil changes. This change in magnetic flux will lead to generation of induced current. The direction of the induced current as given by Fleming's right hand rule is along ABCD in the coil and in the outer circuit it flows from B2 to B1. During the second half of rotation, the direction of current is along DCBA in the coil and in the outer circuit it flows from B1 to B2. As the rotation of the coil continues, the induced current in the external circuit is changing its direction for every half a rotation of the coil. ஓகே ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ், இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருந்துச்சுன்னா நம்ம சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள், லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள். தேங்க்யூ டு ஆல்.